Hey there, thanks for checking out today's video. Today we're talking about a new accelerated math initiative for middle school students, a look at a proposed school partnership at Challenge Early College, a campus close-up at Black Middle School, and important application reminders. Let's get started. It is Wednesday, March 18th. Well, HISD is announcing a new accelerated math initiative that's going to impact all middle school students. Now, this is part of Accelerate Houston, the district's plan to expand opportunities and better prepare students for the future. So starting in the 2026-27 school year, all middle school students will be on a pathway designed to help them reach Algebra 1 by 8th grade. Now, this is a key milestone that can open even more doors to more advanced courses in high school and even more opportunities after graduation. The goal here is simple: to make sure more students are ready for what's next in math. And to support that, the district is adding things like end-of-year review, summer learning, and better alignment between grade levels so that students can build on what they've learned each year. If you want to learn more about what this means for your student, we posted this full story on the HISD Now district news page. I'll drop a link for you in the video description right below. And accelerated math is just one part of that work. The district is also looking at new ways to expand opportunities at the high school level, including through 1882 partnerships for our top performing high schools. Now, this was on the board agenda for tomorrow, but that vote has been postponed to a meeting being held on March 26. In the meantime, though, we have lots of information that is on these partnerships for you to check out.
Welcome to Challenge Early College High School.
Up now on the channel, a deeper look at what it would look like at Challenge Early College High School in Southwest Houston. Challenge would expand college-level course options and strengthen its role as a true corridor to the future. Students would take high school and college classes side by side because the campus sits inside Houston City College's West Loop campus. That means students move between their high school classrooms and HCCC courses throughout the day, earning credits for both. Here's Principal Jose Santos explaining how the pending changes would elevate student success.
We follow the 3 R's, which is the relationships that we build with our students, with the community, with the parents, the relevance of the information that the students learn in class and the connections that they make, to the rigor, right? The rigor of how the students learn the curriculum in the classroom, the high quality instruction. And working with the Houston City College to continue to open more pathways, more opportunities for students so they can graduate not just with an associate's degree, but what if they can graduate with an associate's degree in concentration in cybersecurity, in concentration in artificial intelligence, in concentration of technology.
Challenge students earn twice the usual credit. Many courses cover both high school and college. For instance, Algebra 2 also equates to college algebra. History counts toward a high school credit, and college-level history 1301, and same with English 3. With the proposed 1882 partnership, Principal Santos will have even more flexibility over day-to-day operations and programming. He's hoping to create new pathways in fast-growing fields, giving students a chance to graduate not just with an associate's degree, but with specialized concentrations and industry-recognized certificates. And from district updates to what's happening on our campuses, Campus Close-Up is at Black Middle School this week. And today we're spotlighting 2 student groups with a shared purpose: creating a safe space for students to connect and support one another. I talked with 3 8th graders about how these groups are helping them build confidence and helping them grow together. You can tap that title banner right there to watch that full story. Before we go, a few quick important reminders on applications. Applications for Future 2 schools are open. You can apply now and learn more on the district website. That's houstonisd.org. Applications are also open for virtual Launchpad, our new virtual school option. Remember, applying does not guarantee acceptance. It's the first step to determine eligibility. And pre-K applications are still open through April 17th. And don't forget, our pre-K festival is actually happening this weekend at Hartman Middle School from 9 a.m. until noon. And if you're interested in joining HISD, our district-wide teacher hiring event is happening this weekend also, March 21st from 8 a.m. until noon, and that's happening at Del Mar. And of course, I'm going to drop links for you to all of those applications in the video description right below. But that is it for today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.